New pickup in today. Grab this off boutique, 70% off. And I was able to pick up cool grade 3s from the mall. Easy pickup from the FLX app. No hype. That's good. I wanted it for the personal. So yeah, let's take a look at the tees first. I picked up for 10 bucks. Basically just some Stussy tees that they have for sale. My receipt. Take a look at the tees. The Stussy tees. Alright. Stussy right here. The regular price was 50 bucks. This is the Rosebud long sleeve tee, lemon. The rose graphic on there. There's the Stussy. On the sleeve, just has the rose. Not bad. $10. Stussy tees, pretty good. The next one I picked up is the collegiate size medium, black, made in Mexico. The tags. Retail is 45. It's the 3D collegiate pigment dye tee, black medium. See, individually dyed. So everything is different. Got the Stussy branding right there. Pretty simple, pretty clean. That is that. Now let's take a look at the shoes. These are the Air Jordan 3 Cool Grays. Colorway silver, sport red, light graphite. Got my receipt, champs. Purchased from the FLX app. Here's the Cool Grade 3s. This one looks like, this has a crinkle, looks like someone tried it on. The creasing right there already. Doesn't matter, I'm gonna wear these anyways. These are just the regular GR. Shouldn't be too hard to cop. The elephant print. These are super sick. Hopefully you guys were able to cop if you guys wanted a pair. I mean, these are pretty easy. Pretty easy cop. Check out the bottoms. Yep. This pair is different right here. This pair is perfect compared to the other pair. Got some creases. One looks like it was tried on. But it is what it is. It's sold out at my mall. No more pairs left, so I couldn't exchange for a different pair. But happy to grab a pair. Did not grab a pair in 2007. Glad they re-released now. Let me know how you guys did on this release. And yeah, just a quick pickup. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.